Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Trello Cloud easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Trello website in your preferred web browser. Look for the sign up or login button at the top right corner of the page. If you're new to Trello, create a free account by entering your email address and following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard. To begin investing in Trello, create a new board by clicking on the Create New Board option. Choose a name for your board that reflects your investment goals or the projects you want to manage. Select a background color or image that resonates with you to make your board visually appealing. Now, it's time to create lists to organize your tasks. Think of lists as stages in your investment process, such as ideas, research, and executed. Click on Add a List and input the name. Repeat this process to add all the lists you've planned. Next, you want to create cards under each list to represent individual tasks or investments. Click on Add a card under the relevant list to start entering your investment ideas. Provide a descriptive title for each card to clearly identify the investment. You can also add details, such as due dates, checklists, and attachments to each card by clicking on it. Utilize the comments section to jot down notes or thoughts about the investment. To prioritize your investments, simply drag and drop the cards between lists based on your progress. As you complete tasks, move the cards to the appropriate list to keep track of what you've accomplished. Consider integrating Trello with other tools or applications relevant to your investment strategy. Look for the Power UPS option in the menu to enhance your board's functionality. Once your board is set up, review it regularly to ensure you stay on track with your investment goals. Make adjustments as necessary based on market trends or personal circumstances. Finally, share your board with team members or advisors by clicking on the Invite button and sending them an invite link. This way, you can collaborate and make informed decisions together. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage and invest using Trello Cloud effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.